This is the fourth video in this series, and it's about the keyword and. This is probably going to be an even shorter video than the last two, and is used in true and false expressions. Okay, so you use it with true and false. That's the only use case for it. I'll open up the terminal and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, if we go to the interactive help utility, and we type in and. So for the last three keywords that we did, it was an instance of something. And is not the instance of anything. It is used in Boolean operations, as you can see here. What that means is that and is essentially the all function that we had before. Do you remember? You probably remember how all checks if everything is evaluates to true. So 1, 1, and 0 would be false, but 1, 1, and 1 would be true. So and is essentially the same thing, but it can only take two. Two variables essentially. So you would say, for example, 1 and 0. That would be 0, which is false. And if we say 1 and 1, this will be 1, right? If we say true and true, it's true. True and false is false. And we can do this with like this too. Empty string and a full string, it evaluates empty string, which is false. So you could see that there is a small difference between these. It's not really a significant difference when you're using other keywords that will be able to check if something is true or false. It's really only it's not significant basically at all. But you could see how if I write full and full, it will give me full because it's just trying to output true. So it uses what's in the expression. But if I write all full and full, that just evaluates to true. It does not evaluate to full. It's not really useful. It's just something to know. And that's actually everything about and, surprisingly. You could none also, by the way. And here you could see this for sure because none and true, it returns none. And as we saw in the last video, none obviously outputs to nothing. So, yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next keyword video in this series.